Hello everyone. The next part is we will solve some few numericals on the K-map. Okay, so the function has been given y is equals to summation m 0347. So these are the this small summation m remain summation m means it is given in terms of mean term format. So mean terms are given, that is 0347, and we have to minimize this following this function using the K-map. So by looking at this last variable, last mean term, that is 7, so that means we require 3 variable K-maps. Why 3 variable K-maps? Because this is a 7 decimal number is given. Okay, so 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. That means 0 to 7. So that's why we require 3 variable K-map. This 3 represents the number of variables. Okay, 2 raised to 3, that means 8. 8 means 0 to 7. So it can cover from 0 to 7 all the mean terms. So we require 3 variable K-map. So 3 variable K-map, how we can draw? 3 variable K-map, it requires 8 cells. It requires 2 raised to 3 cells, that is equals to 8 cells we require. Okay, and these are the cells. Now I am drawing the K-map. Okay, so I am having 3 variable K-map, so I am writing A variable in this side and then BC variable on this side. Okay, in terms of A, I am writing it as 0 for A and then 1 0 1, and this we can say that 0 0 0 1 1 1 and then 1 0. Okay, if you don't know about how to plot the K-map and how to plot these values onto the K-map, okay, you have to see my earlier videos on the K-map. Okay, so I'm writing this 0 0 0. So this is my 0th cell. Okay, 0 0 0th cell. This is my 1 cell, cell number 1, 0 1 1. So this is my 3 cell, and then 0 1 0, that is 2. So 0 1 2 3, write directly 4 5 6 and 7. So I have given cell number only to understand. To place, we have to place actually, as this is in terms of summation, that means it's in terms of mean terms. So for each places we have to keep 1, and then we have to group that once. Okay, so for 0 I am placing 1 here, then for 3 I am placing 1 here, and then for 4 I am placing 1 here, and then for 7 I am placing 1. So now I have placed all ones for each mean term, okay, onto the K-maps. Now we have to group. So for grouping, actually this is a 3 variable K-map. So we have to look for grouping of octet. That is 8 number of adjacent ones. Okay, that is called as octet, or we can go for quad. Quad, that is nothing but the 4 number of adjacent ones we can group, and then we can group pair also. Pair means 2 number of adjacent ones we can group. Okay, so here there is no possibility of quad because no adjacent ones are there in octet form. That means number of 8 number of ones in adjacent form is not available, and also 4 number of ones are not available. So we will look for pair or single. So pair, I can see that this is my pair I can form. This is my one adjacent ones pair is there, and then this is one of the pair. So 2 pair I have found out. So this is my, I am calling it as my group 1, and this is my pair 2. So I am calling it as group 2. Group 2. Now I have to write the equation for both these groups, and then I have to use the OR logic in between these groups, and then the minimize expression we will get. Okay, so what is the equation for this? What is the equation for this? If you don't understand this 0 and 1, I can simply write A0 and then A, then this is my B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, and then B, C bar. Now you may understand. Okay, so now this is 1 1. So from looking, when we look from this side, so what is the A bar and A? So both are complements to each other and changing the state. So we are neglecting this A variable. Okay, because it is changing the states, or we can say that we have to ignore this kind of pair A bar and A. When we look from this top side, we will get B bar, C bar. So my equation for group 1 is B bar, C bar. Okay, when we look at this pair, from this side A bar and A get cancelled or omit A bar and A variables, and from this top side I am getting the equation for group 2, that is my BC. And then when we combine this, y is equals to B bar C bar plus BC, this will, sorry, plus BC, this will be my minimized expression for this function. This is my minimized expression for this function. Fine. So next example is function of ABCD has been given and is equals to summation of m, that is small m, okay, 0, 1, 4, 8, 9, 10. So 4 variable K map can be plotted, and then for each mean term we have to place 1 and then we have to group all the ones and then form the equation which will be the minimized expression for this function. Okay, so now I am forming 4 variable, or I am plotting 4 variable K map. Four variable K map. So these variables are A, B this side and then C, D this side. Okay, then A bar, B bar. I am writing the variable names A bar, B, then A, B, and then A, B bar. Okay, and this side again C bar, D bar, then C bar, D, C, D, and then C, D bar. Now you can write down the equation or the cell numbers in smaller bracket like this: 0, 1, then 2, sorry, this is 2 and then this is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 14 and 15. Okay, and then we have to write for each mean term 1 onto on this K map. So for 0 I am writing 1, for 1 I am writing 1, then for 4 I am writing 1, for 8 I am writing 1, okay, then 9 and 10. So this is my 9 and this is my 10. Okay, so how many number of ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of ones should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers I placed appropriate cell. Okay, on the appropriate cell. Now I have to group. So how many groups we can form? We can form octet. We can form octet, that is 8 number of adjacent ones. We can form quad, that is 4 number of octet, 4 number of adjacent ones. We can form a pair, that is 2 number of adjacent ones. If it is if any one is remaining to group, so we can have a single one also. Okay, we can have a single one also. Now in this case the octet possibility is not available because 8 number of ones are not available. So this possibility is not available. Whether quad possibility available, that is adjacent 4 ones are there. Yes, adjacent 4 ones possibility is there, and this can be in this form. So these 2 ones are adjacent to each other. Okay, then any other position is available? No. So we can form a pair now. So pair for this. Okay, for this particular I will write this is my group 1. This is my group 1. For this particular ones I am writing this is my group 2. Okay. So what is remaining? Now this one is remaining. Okay, so how we can combine? We can combine with the help of this. So these are the adjacent ones. Okay, so I am writing this is my group 3. So 3 groups I have formed. Okay, now we have to write the equation for each group. So how to write? Let us go for this is group 1. So from group 1, when we look from this left side, so these 2 ones are there, that means A bar, B bar, and then these 2 ones are there, A, B bar. Okay, so B bar, B bar are common, A bar and A are state changing. Okay, so we will keep B bar as it is. So B bar will be remaining. When we look from this top side C bar, D bar and C, D bar is there. So these 4 ones can be combined using these 2 variables, C bar, D bar and C bar, D. So C bar is common, D bar and D is state changing. So C bar will be the equation. So group 1 equation is B bar dot C bar. Okay. Then group 2 equation. Group 2 equation means these 2 ones are there, they are combined. So when we look from this side, left side, so A bar is there. So A bar will be there, B bar B, is state changing. Okay, so we are ignoring. And then from top side, when we look from top side, so C bar D is there. So C bar D bar. Okay, so this is equation for my group 2. And for group 3, this one and this one is combined. Okay, so A bar B, this side A bar, sorry, A B bar. So this side A B bar is there. When we look from the top side, so C bar D bar and then C D bar is there. So from this we can combine only D bar. Okay. So from this only D bar is there, because C bar and C is changing their state. So D bar is there. So I have kept is D bar. So final equation for this. So final equation for this function A B C D, final or minimized equation is combining these three terms or these three terms. So first one is B bar C bar plus group 2 equation A bar C bar D bar, A bar C bar D bar plus group 3 equation is A bar B, sorry, A B bar D bar, A B bar D bar. So this is my final expression, or we can say the minimized expression for this particular function. Got this? Okay. Now let us take another example. Function of ABCD is equals to summation m 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14. These are the main terms have been given. Now you can see that this is 4 variable. So I am plotting 4 variable K map. Okay. So this is my 4 variable K map. So it has 16 number of cells. Okay. Starting from 0. Okay. And then 4 variables like A, B and C, D variables are there. I am writing its number, that is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, then this is my A, B and then A, B, this is my A, B bar. For this C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and then C, D bar. Okay, you can give cell numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, this is 9, this is 10 and this is 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Very small number you can give to understand. Okay, now I am placing 1 as this is summation m, sum of product form. So summation m, mean terms has been given. So placing 1 for appropriate mean terms. So for 0, this is 1, then 2, 3, okay, then 5, 7, 8, 9. So this is my 5, 7 and then 8, 9, 5, 7, 8, 9, then 11, 14, 11 and then 14. Fine. Now we have to combine. Okay, so combine adjacent ones. So what is the possibility? Octet. Octet, that means 8 number of adjacent ones. Square, that is 4 number of adjacent one. Pair, that is 2 number of adjacent one. Or we can have a single, that is single one. Okay, if anything is one, single is not one, anything, if any one is not combined on these three, octet, quad and pair, we can have a single one also. Okay, now I am pairing this or I am grouping this. So I can see that octet is not possible because 8 number of ones are not adjacent anywhere. I cannot see that 8 number of ones are adjacent. So now grouping of 4 we can do. So what is this? This is my first group. See, this 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is my group 1. This is my group 1. And now to get simplified, I am writing the equation for this one, 4 ones. Okay, so what is the equation? From this top side, all are cancelled as all are changing their states. So A bar, B bar. A bar, B bar. Fine. Now what is the possibility of? So these 2 ones are there. So these 2 ones can be combined. Okay. These 2 ones can be combined with these 2 ones, adjacent ones. So grouping of 4 is possible. Okay. So the equation for this, when we look from this left side, so A bar. Okay. So I am writing this as A bar. Okay. B bar get cancelled or they are changing their state from this top side. So D. Okay. Then next we will form a third group. So okay. Mm, yes. So these two ones can be combined. These two ones can be combined with these two. Okay, overlapping is allowed. Overlapping is allowed because there is these ones are remaining, so we can combine this with this. Okay, so from left side. So what is the equation for this? From left side, when we look at from left side, so this A bar A get cancelled, so B bar is remaining. So B bar, and from this top side C bar. Okay, now what is remaining? Remaining is next one is this. This one is remaining. So we can combine these two ones. Okay, even we can combine pair also, but in this case we will form a quad. Okay, so the equation for this two ones. So these two ones are there. So from this side A B bar, and this is by A bar B bar. So B bar is there, remaining B bar is there, and from top side this is my C bar D, and then C D. Okay, so C bar C is get cancelled, so only D. Now this is my single A is remaining now. In this case, I will write the equation. So only once, we cannot combine any one with the adjacent to this one. So directly we can write the equation for this. So AB, and this is CD bar, CD bar. Okay. So total 5 groups we have done, and then now we are combining this. So function A, B, C and D have the equation. Okay, so group 1 we can start with this A bar B, A bar B bar plus A bar B bar. This is A bar D, A bar D. Okay, then this third is plus A B C D bar plus. Okay, I think this is not visible. I am writing it again. Okay, so I will remove this B bar D bar. Okay, I will write it here. So this is B bar D bar. Now I am writing the equation. So function of A B C D can be, I am writing this first term, that is A bar B bar. Okay, then second plus A bar D plus A B C D bar. A B C D bar plus 3 terms are there. Then this is fourth term B bar D bar, B bar D bar plus B bar C bar, B bar C bar. So this is my minimized expression when the function gives us a mean term. So this is my minimized expression using the K-map. Got this? Okay. So now the next equation, function of ABCD, okay, 0m, summation m 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14. So function has been given in its mean term form. Okay, we have to minimize this with the help of K-map. So 4 variable K-map is required, as we have a 4 variable A, B, C, D. Variable names are also given here. Okay, and their orders also given here. Fine. So this is my A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, and then A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Okay, I am writing in very short the cell number 0, 1, then this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is my 14, this is 15. Okay. So very short number I have written a cell number. Now I have to place 1 on this appropriate cell or on this min term. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, okay, then 11 and 14. 11 and 14. Okay, now I placed appropriate one. Now we have to group this one. Okay, so how many, what are the groupings? What can be the group? We can group octet, that is 8 number of adjacent ones. We can group a quad, that is 4 number of adjacent ones. We can group a pair, that is 2 number of adjacent groups, or if anything is not combined, so we can consider single one. Okay, single one. Fine. So in this case, when we look at this K map, so octet is not possible. Why? Because 8 number of ones, adjacent ones, we are not finding on this K map. Okay. Though this is 16 cell K map, octet is not formed because there is no adjacent ones. If there is any one, so we can form this octet, 8 number of adjacent ones. But here one is not there, so we can form now quad. Let us check for the quad. Yes, quad is possible. So this is my one group, or group 1 I am writing, this group 1. So now I will write equations. Okay, so equation is for this A bar B bar, and from top side everything is cancelled, so equation is A bar and B bar. Fine. Let us go for another. Is it possible? So this is also possible. This 4 number of ones is possible. Okay, to combine these two ones, I can overlap these two ones. So I am getting 4 number of adjacent ones. So equation for this, when we look from this side, A bar is there. A bar, this is my group 2. So A bar, from top side, this is C bar C. So D is there. A bar D. Fine. Any other pair possibility? So this is also one of the possibility. So these two ones are remaining, and I can combine with these two one from this top corner, and I can write the equation for this. So this is my group 3. Group 3, the equation for this, when we look from this left side, so B bar is there. B bar, and when we look from this top side, so C bar is there. B bar, C bar. Any other possibilities? Now this one, these two ones are remaining. So to combine this one, I can form a pair, I can form a quad also. So I will form here quad instead of pair. Okay, so the equation for this one, when we look from this left side, okay, so this is B bar, B bar. When we look from this top side, so C bar C get cancelled, so D, B bar D. Fine. Now this only one single one is remaining. Okay. Yes. So this one we cannot combine. We cannot form any octet. We cannot form quad. We cannot form a pair. So we will form a single one, and we will write the equation. So this is my group 1, group 2, group 3. This is group 4, and this is my group 5. Okay. So group 5 equation will be AB, and then from top side CD bar. Okay, so minimize equation. So minimize equation for the given function ABCD is, we have to combine this. We have to or we have to add this all these 5 groups combined together. So G1 is A bar B bar plus A bar B bar plus G2 is A bar D plus A bar D plus, what is G3? G3 is B bar C bar C bar plus, what is G4? B bar D. What is G5? A B C D bar. So this is my minimized, or you can say the final expression for this function using the K map. So I minimize this min terms, function of min terms using K map, and I find out the minimized equation. So next example, ABCD, function of ABCD has been given in terms of max terms, that is pi m, 4, 6, 10, 12, 13, 15. So this is 4 variable K map, so I will draw 4 variable K map. Remember, this is in terms of max terms. Okay, Remember, this is in terms of max term, so you have to write zeros in case of each max term. Okay, so this side I am writing A B C D and this side C D. Okay, so max terms is A plus B. A plus B. Okay, earlier we used to write, earlier what we are using in terms of min terms, we are writing A bar dot B bar. Now in terms of max terms, we have to write it as A plus B. Multiplication in terms of max term, we have to write plus. Okay, then next one is, earlier we have to write A bar plus A bar B. Okay, so here we have to write A B bar. A plus B bar, here A bar plus B bar, and here A bar plus B. Notice this change you have to understand. Okay, then similarly this is C plus D, then C plus D bar, then C bar plus D bar, then C bar plus D. Cell numbers are same, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now for each appropriate max term, we have to write 0. So 4, 6, 10, 12. 4, okay, this is 4, 6, 10, 12, 13, 15. 13, 15. Now I have written all zeros, all particular max terms. Now we have to find whether octet is possible, whether quad is possible, whether pair is possible, or if anything is not possible, then single number of zeros. Okay. So octet is not possible. Let us check for quad, that is 4 number of adjacent ones. So how many how many zeros are there? Just count. 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros whether are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Okay. So now quad is also not possible. We cannot combine any number of 4 zeros. Okay. Pair is possible? Yes, pair is possible. So which are those pair? So I am writing with another color pen. So this can be one of the pair. This can be my pair. This is my group 1. So equation. Okay. Again the equation for this is, from left side it is A plus B bar. From left side it is A plus B bar. From top side it is C bar plus C plus D, C bar plus D. So C bar. So only remaining is D. So plus D. This is my group 1. Can I form another pair? Yes, I can form another pair with this one. This can be another pair. This is my group 2. Okay, so this is my group 2, and the equation for this group 2, from left side it is A bar plus B bar. Okay, from top side C. So what is remaining? This one is remaining. So I can combine this one with, I can combine this 0 with this 0. So group 3, from left side A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar plus, from top side C bar get cancelled, so D bar is there, B bar. Now what is left? This 0 is left. Okay. So this 0 cannot be combined because its adjacent can be of cell number 2. Its adjacent can be cell number 8. Okay. Its adjacent can be this 11 or 14. So there is no 0, so we have to group as a single. And the equation for this, a bar plus b, a bar plus b plus from top side c bar plus b. And then the final expression or minimized expression, we can write a bar c bar, function of a b c d is nothing but group 1 a plus b bar d, a plus b bar plus d, then multiplied with the group 2 a bar plus b bar plus c, a bar plus b bar plus c dot group 3 is a bar plus b bar plus d bar, and group 4 a bar plus b plus c bar plus d. Okay, so this is my final expression. This is my final expression or minimized expression using K-map. Okay. Dear students, earlier we have saw some of the videos based upon the function. So function has been given in terms of its min term or max terms. Now in this example, a logical function has been given, or the function given is in the variable forms, and then we have to minimums of K-map. Okay, so some kind of questions can be asked in the examination. Okay, so this is a 3 variable K-map. So I am drawing 3 variable K-map for you. So it has 8 cells. Okay, so 8 cells, and then this is my A variable, B is C, A bar A, and then B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, and then B C bar. Now this is in terms of sum of product form. So for each mean term, I have to place or I have to write 1 on appropriate cell. So A, B bar C, A, B bar C. So here, okay, so here I am writing 1. Then A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar and C. A bar, B bar and C. Here I am writing 1. B, C. This is my A bar term and this is B, C term. So here 1 I am writing. Then A, B bar, C bar. This is my A, B bar, C bar. Here I am writing 1. And then last term is A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is A bar, B bar, C bar here. Fine. So you can count the number of min terms. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 1 should be there on my K-map. So 5 ones are there. Now I have to group number of ones. So here I can see that I can form an quad or 4 number of adjacent ones, and the equation for this is my group 1. This is my group 1, and the equation for this group, when we look at this side, A bar and A is there, so we can ignore this. And from top side, when we see from top side, so B bar. So equation for this group is B bar, and what is remaining? Remaining is this one. So we can combine or we can overlap, and we will form another group. So this is my group 2, and the equation for this group is from this side it is A bar, and from top side this B bar B is get cancelled, or C is remaining, A bar C. So final equation or minimized equation for this function is B bar plus A bar C. So next example is function of ABC in terms of variable form has been given, and now we can see that the function is of 4 variables A, B, C and D, and its variable form has been given. We have to minimize this expression using K-map. So I have written here 4 variable K-map. I have drawn 4 variable K-map. It is in sum of product form. This is in sum of product form. Okay. So we have to write appropriate ones, and then we have to group up the ones in terms of its adjacent ones. Okay. So first term is A bar. Here is A bar B, A bar B, C bar D bar. So here I am writing, this is my C bar D bar. Here I am writing 1. The next one is A bar B, C bar D. A bar B, C bar D. Third term is AB, C bar D bar. AB, C bar D bar here. Then AB, C bar D, AB, C bar D. Here 1. Then fifth term is, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term is AB bar, CD bar, CD bar here. Okay, so 5 terms are there. Now we have to group adjacent ones. So here you can see, it's very easy. Here you can see that group 1 is formed using 4 adjacent ones. Okay, so the equation from this side is your B dot, from top side C bar, B, C bar. Now this is 1 is remaining. So I can circle this as single one is there. There is no possibility of forming pair or quad or octet. So the equation for this is A B bar, and from top side C D bar. So the minimum expression for this function A B C D is your B C bar plus A bar B bar C D bar. This is the minimum expression. Got this? So dear students, earlier we have seen some of the examples on K-map. We learn how to solve the K-map, how to minimize the expressions. Now the new concept is in terms of K-maps is don't care conditions. Earlier what happens, we entered zeros, we enter 1 in terms of the equation in POS form or SOP form. If it is in SOP form, we are entering or we are writing 1 on the K-map, and if it is in POS form, we are writing zeros onto the K-map, and then we are finding the equation. Okay, and then this is not in the case when we are entering ones. So whatever the remaining left cells are there, we are considering or we are assuming that it contains zeros or vice versa. But this is not true for all these cases in which certain combinations of input variables do not occur. Also, for some function, the output corresponding to certain combinations of input variable do not matter. In such a situation, the designer has a flexibility that it is left or it has a flexibility and it is left to him whether to assume zeros or ones as output of each of these combinations. These conditions is known as don't care conditions, and it can be represented as the cross mark onto the K-map. What does this cross mark represents? This cross mark represents you can either assume it as ones or you can either assume it as zeros depending on the situation where we will get a simpler expression. Okay, so we can combine these cross marks with the help of ones if we are solving for sum of product form. If it can be considered as 0 if we are solving for product of sum form, or we can even neglect also in some of the situation where we will get a simpler expression. Okay, so we will see some of the examples of don't care conditions now. So dear students, this is the example of don't care condition. Here summation m is there, that means min terms has been given, plus this d represents the don't cares. Okay, so d at 0 to 5, and then summation m is that min terms are 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. This function is a 4 variable function. Okay, so I am drawing or I am plotting this as 4 variable K-map. So this is my 4 variable K-map which contains 16 number of cells. Okay, and each cell represents the combination of A, B, C, D variable. Okay, so this is my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, and this is last one is 14. Okay, 14, 15. Right, so 15 number of cells I have numbered, and then I have to put, so this is small summation m, so I have to put 1 for this appropriate min term. So for 1 I am writing 1, 3, 7, where is 7? This is 7, 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. So this is 15 and this is 11. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones I have written respect to this mean term. Okay, 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. Now for don't care I have to write cross mark. So D 0, 2, 5. So 0 here, then 2, where is 2? This is my 2, 0, 2, and then 5. So this is 5. Okay, now when we look at this K map, okay, I'm writing the variables name also A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, and then A, B bar. Then this is C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, and then C, D bar. Now when you look at this, now we can consider this cross mark if we will get the simpler expression. Okay. So simpler expression, or you can see that multiple of adjacent ones we can combine. Okay. So if we consider this, so we can combine four number of ones. How? These ones, two ones are there, and then this cross mark x are there. Two x cross marks are there. So we can consider this as one, as we will get four adjacent ones if we consider these cross marks. So this cross marks or this don't care conditions we can combine. We can consider this either ones or zeros depending upon the situation. So I consider here as we will get four quad or four adjacent ones. Okay, and this is my group one, and this is my group one. Now what is this? Now this is again four ones are there. Now what is left? This don't care. We cannot consider this because all ones are occupied. All ones are occupied. Now we can ignore this cross mark. This is don't care conditions. Okay. So this is again my group 1 and group 2. And now I am writing the equation for group 1. Equation for group 1 is A bar B bar. A bar B bar. And the equation for group 2, everything is from this left side is cancelled. Only C and D. So the minimize expression for this function A, B, C and D is A bar B bar plus C and D. Got this? Now the another example is there. Function of ABCD pi m means product of sum. Okay? Product of sum, that means max term has been given and we have to write zeros onto the K map. Okay, then multiplication with D, that is don't care is also given 1, 2, 3, 9, 11 and then 14. Okay, now I have to draw a K map of four variables. So this is my K map for four variables. This is my A, B this side, and then this side C, D. Okay, so this is my A plus B, right? A plus B. This is my C plus D. Then I am writing A plus B bar. Then A bar plus B bar. Then A bar plus B. Then this side C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, and then C bar plus D. Got it? Understand this changes. Okay. As in terms of mean terms, I am repeating this. In terms of mean terms, we are writing A bar dot B bar. Okay. This side we are writing A bar B. This side we are writing A B and A B bar. So what is changed? This multiplication. Here multiplication converted to the addition, and this bar converted to the normal variables, or this complementary A bar normal variable. Here A bar is there, I am writing A. Here B is there, B bar is there. Here A, B, so both are complemented. Here A is normal, so A bar, and then B, B bar. Okay, and then this dot, all these dots or this multiplication converted to the addition. Similarly, I have written it for CD variables. Now, what is next? Next is write on the numbers, on the cell numbers. Instead 0, 1, this is my 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now for each max term 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12. So this is 8 and this is 12. Okay. Then don't cares are there. 1, 2, 3, 9. Don't care where? 1, 2, 3 and then 9. 1, 2, 3, 9, 11, 14. This is 11 and this is 14. Fine. Now we have to group the zeros. Okay. So see, these are the 4 already is there. Okay. And so these 4 zeros, 4 adjacent zeros can be combined or can be grouped, or this is my group 1. Okay. Now what is left zeros? So these 2 zeros are left. Okay. So we cannot combine. So we have to combine these 2 adjacent zeros and we can form a group. Group 2. As you can see that there are don't care and it is not required to consider. Okay. As there is, if here any don't care is present, so that we can combine in quad or 4 adjacent zeros. If I consider this don't care as zeros, but there is no don't care, so I think these don't cares are not essential. Okay, to combine with the any zeros. Now I will write the equation for this group. So for this side, a plus b bar, a plus b bar. Top side everything is get cancelled. For this a bar. So this is a bar plus from top side cd plus c plus d plus c plus d. The final equation. So final expression for this 4 variable K map is a plus b bar dot a bar plus c plus d, a bar plus c plus d. So this is the minimized expression for this particular function, which includes the don't cares. Okay, understood this?